rainy afternoon near the back porch. The cat, I just did some raking. There's some other honeydews to do. Smoking some 1820 in a no-name, made in London, England. Nice bend builders. I like the shape. There's something about these old estate pipes that aren't no-named. You know, it's like there's no expectation, there's no status with them. And that's nice. I like that. Good smoking pipe. So I'm smoking some 1820 by Germaine, which I would never have found. Apparently Germaine stuff was getting real hard to find. According to John from yesterday's Kitsap PIpe Club gathering, there were John, Eric, his wife, me, and Tom. So, got a little chilly, because you have to smoke outdoors. So, and we didn't have one of those outdoor propane heater things. They have them, but we just hadn't gotten them set up. So, day come like today. Which is a good day to smoke. Good day to be out. I mean, it's just water. You know, it's not pouring rain. So it would be easy enough to go hiking or biking. Slippery. Plus the days were really short. So it's a holiday weekend for us. It's Thanksgiving weekend. So I took complete advantage of that. Slept in every day. Such luxury. So John was crying about this 1820, and it is good. It's almost like it's got a little something other than just some Virginias and some Latitude. I can't really taste it. I was thinking maybe just a little bit of fruit. It's nice, lots of flavor, smooth. It's good. So the Pipe Club thing was fun. We sat and smoked for like 2 hours. Had a beer. A couple of guys had scotch. They had like bar food. It's a golf course. So it was good. I think we were the only ones. What you call a slow day. Funny, I'll go for a week or more and not smoke, and then on Thanksgiving smoke like 3 or 4 balls. Yesterday smoked, gosh, 4 or 5 bowls. They were partial bowls. We were trying different stuff. I finished a bowl today, and then had this, which was pretty full. It's got a nice size bowl to it. I'm smoking way more than I normally smoke. Perfect life. I mean, you have your own little fireplace here. And the weather lends itself to sort of a meditative